So when you look at this, it's been powered off. The gimbal's clearly not locked, so in transit that's going to be moving around quite heavily. So clearly with an unlocked gimbal, that can impact on there, as you can see, and rub against the arm of the gimbal. So I've just taken the battery out and then put the battery back in again, and the gimbal is still in the locked position. So my quick fix is at the point where the drone arm rests on here, I've got some fabric tape which is reasonably adhesive, but it shouldn't leave a mark there. And what I'll do is stop as you close the drone, just rest nicely on there, on that bracket. So I'll see how it goes. It's quite sticky stuff, so it shouldn't be affected. It shouldn't come off in the wind, but we'll see. So with the gimbal protector on, it's just got enough clearance to see that side. There we can. Oops. Move that round there. It's not impacting. But as you can see, the gimbal can move around in there. Now it shouldn't impact. It's like maybe the gimbal guard, you've got a couple of mil of play on it. One side it goes a bit further than the other. So here we go. This is my attempt at stopping this scuffing issue. So this tape is it's a fabric tape. My son and I built we built a couple of PCs, and we use that tape to sort of hold the cables down inside PC cases. So it's quite soft on the outside. So what I've done, you can see there, put a piece on that side of the gimbal there, so it stops the motor there doing it. So on the edge of that, we put some tape around both arms, as you can see, and we've done the other side of that gimbal. So that means now when the legs are folded in, you get no impact. Well, there's no plastic against plastic, if you know what I mean. So that should fix it. There we go. There's a tape on there. So as I fold that leg round, here we go. Sorry about my camera skills. That now sits on there nicely. So it won't be rubbing against that. And then if we have a little gander at the sides, the tape's in a good position, so those motors can't knock against the gimbal arms. Oops, try and focus a bit, sorry. There you go. Just check the weight of the tape I've used. Put that on there. Make sure it's registering. Yeah, it's registering. So as you can see, it adds virtually nothing to the weight of the drone.